Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and this is going to be a little bit of a sort of quick fix, quick tip type video, because often when you collect vintage Transformers like this, you'll find that the tyres tend to perish over time, and this wide load is no exception. You can see here, if we look at his tyres, the rubber used is starting to perish and get quite brittle, and you can see it's also changing colour. This has gone a slight grey colour. A lot of the time you'll see tyres that have started to crack as well. This one is just on the verge of that happening, and so what I want to do is try and save them and stop them getting any worse. Now with this sort of rubber, basically what happens is the sort of plasticizers and stuff leach out over time and they start to sort of harden, and what we've got to try and do is get some of that sort of moisture back into the surface of them, and they should start to look really quite nice again. And to do this you don't need anything that special. What you do need is some Vaseline, and this is the stuff that you would normally put on your lips or things like that. It's a petroleum based product, and that's the key thing, because most of the rubber used in these old toys would have been made using petroleum sort of based products as well. So what you've got to do is you've got to get a small amount of this. I'm just going to put some on my finger here, and we'll rub it over the tyres and give them a good coating of it. And you can see straight away they start to look a sort of a little bit better. We'll rub this over all of the tyres, and then we're going to leave it for just a couple of days, maybe just enough time that it starts to soak in. Then we can wipe off the excess, and then you'll find that these tyres will start to look almost as good as new. They'll be back to being nice and sort of shiny and bright and also fully black. So there you go, that's one tyre done. I'll do the rest of these, and then yeah, let's leave it for a couple of days and we'll come back and I'll show you the results. It's now about a day later, and the Vaseline should have had plenty of time to start to absorb into the rubber. So what we're going to do now is remove the excess. You can see here it's still quite shiny because there's a lot of Vaseline on the surface. Some of it has sort of disappeared, and I'm assuming that that's because it sort of dries out a bit and also sort of soaks into the rubber. But if we just gently wipe off the excess Vaseline, we can see what the tyre looks like underneath. I'll just do one tyre for the moment just so you can see what's going on. But straight away you'll notice that that is looking a whole lot better. It's got a little bit more sort of a sort of black colour to it, and it's yeah, starting to look much more like the original tyres would have done when you bought this from the shops. It just helps sort of add a bit of moisture back into this rubber. So let me clean off the rest of this Vaseline, then I'll show you the finished item. And there you go, that's it all cleaned off. You can see these do really look quite a lot different to how they did when I first started working on them. You can see that they are now nice and black again. Previously there was a lot of sort of grey and sort of brown marks on them. That's really where the rubber is starting to degrade and dry out. So just by wiping on Vaseline and leaving it for sort of a day or so, that's the difference you get. For worse cases than this, leave it on for a lot longer, and if it starts to dry out again, which you know all of this plastic will do in time, it's all degrading as plastics do. So at some point I wanted to do this a second time, but this should last for a couple of years at least, and makes it look really very nice. And this wide load is now ready for displaying again. This is a little figure that I remember buying as a child, so it's nice to have one back in my collection. And yeah, just by tidying up the tyres, he's looking really good. So I hope this video has been of interest to you. It's certainly worth trying if you've got tyres that are starting to degrade and go very brittle. Rub a bit of Vaseline on, just see what happens. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.